Hey flight crew, today we are jetting back over to Anaheim to talk about and do an official vlog review of the hotel we stayed at just a short drive from LAX and steps away from Disneyland, and that is the Candlewood Suites Anaheim. When you enter this resort, the lobby has an area where you can get free coffee every morning, but also lots of snacks to purchase and a really great sitting area with chargers and comfortable chairs. There are 6 floors in this resort, and the important things to know are complimentary laundry, yes, you heard that right, and the gym are both located on the 2nd floor. The heated outdoor pool and barbecue area are located on the 3rd floor. More on these amenities later. On-site covered self-parking typically costs about $20 per day plus tax. However, complimentary parking for 1 car per room per night is included with certain room packages or deals. We stayed in room 629. Now comes the actual room. These are suites, which mean they come with a refrigerator, stovetop, microwave, and a small amount of dishes and cookware to use during your stay. There is a small office space with a desk and chair, and behind it, the TV. This is a great space to sit and get some work done. There's a recliner chair next to the bed, which was fairly comfortable. We had no problems falling asleep quickly after a very long park day filled with lots of steps, of course. Lots of plugs and spaces to put things on each side of the bed, and behind it there is a dresser with drawers and shelves to store things if you need to, and again that TV. The fireworks you can actually see from the window on a clear day. Usually at that point you can see Matterhorn and Space Mountain as well. That's pretty neat to have a resort view from this room. There is a full-length mirror, and then over in this closet space, they do provide the typical iron and ironing board as well as a luggage rack, but they do also have a handy laundry basket to take your items down to that complimentary laundry room. The bathroom was spacious as well. There are shelves for storage and also drawers that have the typical blow dryer, a tub and a shower, and everything was very clean and well kept for us. We had absolutely no problems with this space whatsoever. Overall, the room worked really well for the 2 of us, and the price was super reasonable. We paid around $150 per night, which is almost unheard of for hotels these days. That obviously can vary depending on the time of year that you're staying at this resort. Here is a better view out of the window on a clear day, and you can easily spot Matterhorn over there. Now let's get back over into the amenities at this resort. You heard me say it earlier, complimentary laundry. You just need your room key and laundry detergent. You do not have to pay to use these, which is such an awesome perk. Other amenities that we did not take advantage of on our trip but are available at the resort is the heated pool as well as the grilling and seating area. They also have a decent gym on the same floor as the laundry room. If you have an early park day planned, it is very easy to walk over to the parks from this resort. It is almost exactly 1 mile over to the parks by foot and took us about 15 minutes to get to the security entrance. The walk was not bad at all and honestly was enjoyable and a great way to kind of start our day over at the parks. If walking this far is not for you, the Toy Story parking lot is about a half-mile walk, and you can go through security there and head straight into the parks once you get off the bus. So an overview of this resort, I would give it a 6 out of 10. It served its purpose for us. It was a true 3-star hotel. Not the prettiest, but clean, walking distance, free laundry, nice lobby and waiting area, friendly and helpful staff. I would definitely stay again, but also interested in trying some of the other resorts in the area. That's all for now. Be sure to hit subscribe and join us on our next adventure. We will see y'all in the next video.